Integrating Kafka with serverless functions. Apache Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform. It excels at handling high volumes of real-time data. It is a reliable message queue for async microservice communication. It is ideal for event-driven programming in modern cloud architectures. Kafka ensures seamless data flow across your distributed systems. It supports your application's growth and scalability. Leveraging serverless functions for event-driven architecture. Serverless computing, like AWS Lambda, lets you run code. You don't have to manage servers. Serverless functions let you run event handlers in response to Kafka messages. This is a cheap, dynamic way to process real-time data. This integration lets you build serverless apps. They will react to events in your Kafka topics. It will trigger functions to process data on demand. Enhancing data pipelines with scalable architecture. Combine Kafka with serverless functions. Then, you can design a scalable architecture. It should process data in real time and do so efficiently. Serverless frameworks like SAM and the Serverless framework provide tools to deploy functions. These functions are triggered by Kafka events. They are event-driven and serverless. This approach simplifies the development and deployment of serverless apps with Kafka integration. It enhances the resiliency and flexibility of your data pipelines. Optimizing event-driven workloads with Kafka. Using Kafka with serverless functions can improve your cloud app's event-driven workloads. You can build a fast, efficient event-driven system. Use Kafka for real-time streams and serverless functions for on-demand data. Combining both technologies lets you build resilient, scalable apps. They can meet changing data needs in real time. Conclusion. In conclusion, Apache Kafka with serverless functions can boost your microservices event-driven processing.